Hey girl, hey, so today we are going to be recreating this beautiful green ornament look with the Juvia's Place, the Rebels palette. So let's jump into this. I am using an eyeshadow base that I got off of Temu, and of course the link will be available in the description bar if the product is still in stock, so don't be cussing me out if y'all don't see the link for this eyeshadow base. It's literally is $1. So this is the Juvia's Place, the Rebels palette. We're going to go in with this dark green. We're going to put this in our crease area, and then we're just going to go ahead and use this blending brush to blend this off because we do not want this to be so rough. So blend, blend, and blend, girl. Get to blending that eyeshadow. The next, we're going to use this shimmer green, and this is going to go all over the bottom area of the lids. This shimmer is so vibrant and it's so silky. It goes onto the lids so easily, and there is no fallout with this. This is literally a shimmer eyeshadow, so it is very, 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 very gorgeous. And now we're going to go in with a little bit more of that dark green because it was starting to like fade out just a little bit with the over blending, but I'm just going to go into certain areas and darken it up. Now I'm using my Fenty Pro Filt'r Hazelnut powder up under my eyebrows just to make the eyeshadow less rough around the corners and help everything blend seamlessly. Now I'm adding my eyelashes. Now these eyelashes are from a brand. I used to sell makeup, y'all, and so these are my Crown Me lashes that I used to have. And now I'm just putting some black eyeshadow under my bottom of my eyelid, and now we're gonna go in with the e.l.f. jelly primer and put this all over the face because we are getting ready to add foundation, and I definitely love this primer. Now when you do this, make sure that after you put this e.l.f. primer on, you at least let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes on your face before you add your foundation. So now I am going in with the Juvia's Place number 10 concealer, and I am just going under the areas that I just want to brighten up a little bit up on my skin. And I really like the concealer from Juvia's Place. It's easy to blend and it's liquidy, but once you start patting it into the skin, it does become a little bit matte, but I absolutely adore it. Now I am using the Juvia's Place powder in Gobi, I think that's how you say it, and I'm just putting it over the concealer just so that it stays lightened under my foundation. Yes, I put the foundation on top of the concealer because I just love how it looks. So I'm using my favorite foundation. This is Revlon's foundation in 600. This one literally matches my skin, and I really haven't found any other foundations that I love more than this one. Being out here in Arizona, I definitely love to have a full coverage foundation that is lightweight, and this one does its wonder. It stays on my face all day long in this Arizona heat, and I am absolutely obsessed with it, and I love how it just blends and melts into my skin so seamlessly, and it just looks so good on me, and I just enjoy using this product. Now we're going in with the Fenty Pro Filt'r powder in Hazelnut, and we're just going to set that foundation in, and I'm just pressing the powder onto the face, and this also like helps matten up the foundation. It helps my foundation stay on my face all day long, and it helps it just settle, and I love it. Now I'm using a Wet n Wild brown eyeliner. Yes, Wet n Wild. This eyeliner is literally about 99 cents in the store. I love to use this brown, and then we're gonna go in for the lips with the Juvia's Place Up Lip Reflector Gloss in Caramel Rose. I absolutely love this color. It is definitely cute. Now we're going to use a loose highlighter from Juvia's Place, and I just love the pigmentation of this highlighter. It's so gorgeous. It gives the right amount of shine that you need. Now you do have to be careful with it, or you're going to be looking like a shiny clown if you are not careful with how much product you pick up on your brush. But there we go, ladies, looking bomb. The Rebels Army, girl.